What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the OEM shift knob in the 6th gen Ford Bronco with the short teardrop shift knob from Billetworkz. It's a super straightforward install, so let's get into it. So for this installation, you are going to need a trim tool and a set of Allen keys. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into this. The first thing that we need to do is pop off this plastic cap that is on the top of the OEM shift knob, and then that will reveal a screw we then have to take out. To do that, you're going to take your trim tool and get it in between the plastic cap and the leather of the knob itself and push in and pry your way around. It is super tight, so you're just going to take a little bit of force. Then once you get it to a point that you can get your fingers under it, you can just pull up by hand. Now that the bolt is exposed, we can go ahead and remove it. Then I'm going to set this bolt just to the side there. Then just grab the shift knob and pull up. Now the whole assembly might come with you, just be mindful that there is a spring in here, and we're going to go and push that spring back down. Next, we're going to slide on the included adapter onto the shift rod. And whenever you go and slide this on, I like to keep it about almost flush. I leave the adapter about 1/16 of an inch above the top of the shift rod. So once that is there, I'm gonna hold it in place and I'm going to start tightening down these set screws. If you do have a set screw on the flat side of the shift rod, make sure you tighten that one last. Now that I have it situated where I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten down the set screws. Then we can go ahead and thread on the shift knob. I get the knob tightened up, and you can see that our shift pattern is not straight. We have to turn the knob about a couple degrees to the right to get it straight. So to adjust that, all you have to do is take off the shift knob and adjust the insert accordingly. So we had to come this way with it. So we're gonna loosen these inserts and then turn the adapter until we get the knob straight. This might take you a couple times, that's normal. Go ahead and thread the knob on and we'll see if she's straight. All right. It's now I went a little bit too far, so I'll just back it off, adjust it one more time, and then she should be good to go. And she is looking nice and straight for us now. So one thing I like to do before I say it's a job complete is just check functionality of the reverse lockout. So I can go over and then I'll pull up on the reverse lockout and then it'll let me slip over to reverse. And I also like to check it with the crawl gear too. Go over and down. So both of those are functioning as they should. If for some reason you cannot get into reverse, you just have to move the adapter up just a little bit. And that's an install complete. Be sure to check out Billetworkz.com for all accessories and options for your 6th gen Bronco. Thanks, see you next time.